What's up, guys? My name is Seth. Welcome. With Carolina Barn Builders, and we are going to be working on a very special project. It's going to be a tiny A-frame 16 by 16 using traditional timber frame building. And if you are going to, or if you're interested in building a timber frame or an A-frame or anything like that, this will be beneficial to you. So what we're going to do is go over a few of the other builds that we have going on presently, and real quick, we have a 20 by 20 right here, this guy. We have a 30 by 32 back here with two bump outs on either side. And we essentially have the same thing here, but with a 16-foot porch. And then this monster over here, we have a 30 by 48 with a couple of 20 by 20s attached. So yeah, let's dive in. We're going to look at the floor plans real quick. Floor plans. There we go. All right, so let's start with this 20 by 20. Now this is going to be a nice little cabin for a couple. You've got your bedroom upstairs, nice living room and kitchen downstairs. You could definitely fit a bathroom in there somewhere, but you know, that's 20 by 20, so you're looking at 400 square feet plus a loft. You know, you gotta lose a little bit from the pitch of the roof there, but a solid cabin for a little starter home. This is 30 by 32, quite a bit bigger, about 950 square feet on the bottom, about 250 on top, and plenty of room for a bedroom, two bedrooms, one upstairs, one downstairs. This one's got two baths and nice big master bathroom, walk-in closet, living room, kitchen, a couple of nice patios. This is essentially the same thing, except for the larger front porch there. And then we've got this bad boy. So this client wanted to have a master bedroom off of the side of the house. So that's what this is over here. This is their master. And I kind of like this idea because you could essentially build your small A-frame over here and live in it while you build out your bigger structure over here and then connect the two once you're finished. So I kind of like that idea. That's not what they're doing. They're going the whole thing all in one go. And then this is another bedroom, I believe, in the back here. So quite a bit of space. But we are going to be focusing in on this little guy right here. 16 by 16. Could be used as a nice little hunting cabin, Airbnb. This is going to be built on our property, and we'll probably use it for you know, a little guest house or Airbnb rental. So let's, oh yeah, I wanted to just show you the timber frame alone real quick, just to see what that looks like. You know, these A-frames are pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You've got 3 bents on this 20 by 20, but each one of those is a bent. And in between the bents, here and here, what we have is a bay. So this is a bay. And that's it. What you do is you put the bents together while they're on the ground, and then you lift them up and hoist them up, connect the purlins, and you're off to the races. So that's essentially what we're going to do here. This is a very easy build. Could be could be done with 2 people very easily in a weekend, at least getting this timber frame structure up. So this is what we're going to start with. So what we'll do, I'm not going to be laying a foundation. We're probably just going to do some blocks, and we'll strap it down, kind of treat it as like you would a shed. So what we'll do, starting out, we're going to get all the timbers milled. We're going to do the fabrication. So we're going to go through and fabricate all the tenons, all the joinery, all the pockets in the beams. Then we will go to installation once we have that finished. And then once we have the frame up, then we're going to put the T&G on. So timber frame T&G. So we put the T&G on. We're not going to worry about insulation. If you wanted to make this insulated, you could do a built-up roof. You use 2x4s or 2x6s and essentially build a wall on the roof, and then you could put your insulation in that, and then you could put the roof on after that. Sheathing, then roof. So what we're going to do is just do T&G and then roof. And I put a little bit of furniture in there just to kind of give you an idea of space. And then walls will be next. Walls, windows, and doors. And after walls, windows, and doors, we are going to do all the inside finishings. So we'll do oh, and then the walls will just be done with 2x4 material. And we'll get the siding up, get the interior stuff done, and then we'll be getting it all decorated, get all the furniture in there. And yeah, so we're going to probably break this up in about 12 different videos, just to kind of give us time. It could be less. We'll kind of see how it goes. But the next video we're going to be working on the mill. So we're going to start by milling all these timbers down. We're going to be using yellow pine because that's what's local to us in South Carolina. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you liked it. You can hit like. If you don't like it, please let me know why. Really excited about doing this, so please tag along if you're interested. Subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.